Magandang araw mga kagako sa Itachi. So lesson 13 na tayo ng ating JFT review and today we're going to talk about some of the Monday na pwede nating ma-encounter sa ating JFT basic exam. Okay, so if you're ready, let's dive deeper. Okay, number 1, we have conversation between A and B. So sabi ni A, nani ba suwa? Kuko ni ikimasu ka? Pupunta ba ang bus na ito until airport? Kuko means airport. Sabi ni Bihay, ikimas. Now, ano ang nawawalang kotoba here? Is it koko, kono, or kore? Now, putting it in context, kono is the proper answer. Kono ba suwa? Alright, so demonstrative kasi for adjective ito. Kono ba suwa? Kuko ni ikimas ka? So, lagi natin tandaan na ang kono, sono, ano should always be followed by a noun. Ayan, kaya baso is a noun. Okay? That's ni ichibang. Nibang wa. A and B again. A, sumimasen, nani doko desu ka? So, excuse me, saan blank? So, yung kotoba natin, saan blank? So, sabi ni B, Shinjuku desu. Shinjuku is a place in Japan. So, one of the cities. So, ano kaya ang proper kotoba? Imaga, korewa, or tsugiwa? Okay, putting it into context, sumimasen, nani doko desu ka? Correct. The answer is nibang desu. So, sumimasen, korewa doko desu ka? Korewa doko desu ka? Saan ito? Kasi nag-stop na yung nag-stop na yung train and tinatanong niya yung guy, saan ba to? Ayan. So, that's why the answer is korewa doko desu ka? Shinjuku desu. Okay. Sambang, iye kara kaisha made jitensha nani kimasu. So, jitensha is a bicycle. Jitensha blank kimasu. Come by bicycle. From the house until company. Now, ano ang fixed particle natin kapag meron kang mode of transportation? Is it de, ni, or o? Correct. Always de. Okay? Kasi de is by means of. So kung meron kang vehicle, you always mark it with particle de. Kung siya ang naging mode of transportation mo from one place to another. Okay? That's sambang. Okay, yombang. Again, we have iye kara kaisha made ichiji kangurai nani. Ichiji kangurai is it takes 1 hour from my house to company. So ang pagpipilian ay kaimas, karimas, or kakarimas. Ano ang pinaka-fitting na verb para sa aabutin or it will take? Correct. Kakarimas is the verb to take. So, ichiji kangurai, kakarimas. Aabutin ng isang oras. So, kakarimas is the proper verb for this part or Monday. And finally, so merong paakyat na lalaki, sasakay siya gawa ng arrow, no? So, koko kara, jubang no baso ni nani. Jubang no baso, so kasi sa Japan may mga number ang bus, no? Depende sa location na dadaanan niya. So, kailangan wag ka magkamali. So, papasok na siya doon, koko kara, jubang no baso ni, okay, alam natin na ni, is it ikimas, norimas, or orimas? No, look at the arrow. Okay, so norimas is the proper answer because when you say norimas, it's get in. So basuni, norimas, get in the bus from here, number 10. There, okay? So I hope nakatulong sa inyo ang explanation ko ng ating 5 Monday. Ayan, so hopefully magkaroon tayo ng chance ulit for another video next time. Okay, bye-bye mga kagako sa Itachi!